Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit website on Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, this is the website that I have created with Shopify integrated. So as you can see, this is my product page, and in here I can see the actual chronography of this particular product, and I have some more add-ons that I have. So if you want to have a page like this, you can head over in here to your Shopify, and then first things first, you can actually install a theme that you want. So for example, for me, I'll just choose Dawn theme right here. After that, click on this customize option. So this customize option will allow you to edit your website using the Shopify editor that we have right here. So in here, you can see your homepage right here, and you have in here the preview of that. You can click on any part of that specific page, and you can see in here that things will actually start to change, and you should be able to see the settings for that particular block or section of a page. So you can change out a few things, like for example, you can change this actual image that we have right here. And then as you can see, it will change just like this. So you can also add second image, banner height, desktop content position, and you can also edit out the color scheme that you use for this. So for example, for this one, let's choose the color scheme of this black. And then you can also edit out the actual solid background. Like for example, in here, let's use gray. And in just a few seconds, this will reflect on your store, but on some cases, it will take some minutes in order for this to reflect. So you can also apply this particular color scheme to other parts of the page that you have. So example, let's apply this to this. As you can see, it has changed. Now you can click on this home page right here, and you should be able to see some more pages you have in your actual website. So I have in here my default product, as well as in here my collections. You can also have in here the collection list that you have right here. And you will also have a page for gift card, cart, checkout, classic customer accounts, pages, blogs, blog posts, and all these things right here. So you can just do what you did on your homepage and just select any block of your that particular page. And you can see in here some settings that you can apply to that page. So just head over and then apply those settings and then save your progress in order to actually give it a go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.